Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. As you saw the name of this video, and as I receive a lot of questions regarding this, I want to make a specific video to explain why this phenomenon happens. I get a lot of questions. Why does my Nespresso machine leak? I've done everything. I've changed all the O-rings inside. I've overhauled the product, the unit all over, and it's still leaking. Why is this? Or questions like, I have a new unit and it's leaking out of the box. How is this possible? What to do? Yeah. So today I want to explain in detail why is this happening and to tell you that yeah, Nespresso wants your machine to leak. And why is this? Everything relies on the capsules. But first of all, I want to explain how these capsules are working. So this is the brewing mechanism out of an ESIA machine, but the principle are the same in all the Nespresso machines. Yeah. So first of all, you take a capsule, you put it inside the unit like this. Then with the motion like this, the capsule goes inside of the unit, pierces the backside, this part of the capsule, yeah, from where the hot water is going into the capsule, then makes a lot of pressure, then perforates this part and applies coffee to this part of the machine and goes into your cup. Yeah? Something like this, yeah. And now the coffee is going on this side. Well, why is this happening? Why the coffee or the water still drips? Well, everything relies in the capsule itself. So you see, there are original capsules, original Nespresso capsules, and then are the rest of the ones, or however you want to call them. Yeah, so alternative capsules. And for example, they look the same, they have the same coffee, whatever, but everything relies on this part of the capsule. As you can see here, yeah, here is a ridge, yeah, and it's only plastic, yeah, and on the original one, you can see it has a small silicone gasket on it, yeah. And this gives an advantage to the original Nespresso machine because also here, yeah, this part of the brewing mechanism is specifically done like so. If you use alternative capsules without this silicone gasket, it will drip. As you can see, the sides of this chamber where this sits, yeah, it has these ridges, yeah. So it's like on these ridges, if you don't have a silicone covering the extreme part of the chamber, then it will leak, yeah. So you can see also the margins are ridged, and this will let water slip because it will have 15 psi, or it's an extreme pressure there, yeah. The water will make room underneath this plastic part to drip, yeah. So in case of an original Nespresso capsule, this doesn't happen because this silicone will perfectly sit here, and with pressure will make a tight cylinder. And how they are able to do this is because Nespresso has a patent on this silicone um, seal, let's call it like this, yeah. And none other manufacturer cannot put this silicone. So the patent for the capsule itself has expired already. So everybody, any producer of coffee can do this type of capsules, yeah, as alternatives. But this small part, which a lot of people do not notice, yeah, Nespresso still has patent on it, and no other can put it. So here I think I have an alternative one somewhere here. It was, yeah. So as you can see, this is from Lore. This is already a big company, yeah. They also don't have this silicone gasket because Nespresso doesn't let them use it. And why is this? Because they want to sell their pods. So they are not making a lot of money with the units itself. Yeah, they are making a lot of money with these pods. So yeah, call it a conspiracy. Yeah, but it actually is the truth. They are using this patent on their advantage. And even if you have a new unit, if you use alternative capsules like this one, you will have drips, yeah, and leakage in your machine. So again, you know, I'm on this channel, I repair a lot of and I show you how to repair a lot of coffee machines, but on the Nespresso ones I think I have the most comments. Okay, I did this and I changed that o-ring, I overhauled, I made the descaling, I still have leakage. And this is why, yeah, because you are using alternative or yeah, different supplier pods, and they don't have this sealant. Yeah. So yeah, I hope I did answer some questions. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, consider subscribing because I will continue with a lot of other videos in the near future. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.